was thinking about this in the car yesterday. Because I was hoping I can go in. Oh, motherfucker. Kevin, I think we got something here. See, I wish it wasn't as long, so we just come out with it. It worked. Kevin, that motherfucker worked. Son, that motherfucker worked. I went right on in there. Check it, I'm not gonna even look.
Oh, fuck.
That's my fault. But we just started. I didn't look. This is the first time. But hold on. Oh, snap. That's how we grab it. Ain't that a bitch? This is fairly nice. This looks good. Brilliant, I tell you. Brilliant. Here's a good one. You know why, Kevin?
Why?
You see what I see? Physically, instead of you, that's what I mean. I really want this shorter. We're gonna practice on that. But that is easy coming up off that. That's a game changer, man. Because you gotta lift that motherfucking can off that, get it over that zip.
Bingo.
I'm just saying.
Captain Hook over here.
I just wish this was a little bit shorter. Ain't that a bit? Oh my God. Watch it get off the curve. The heavier it is, the better it feels. Ain't that a bit? Look at how I got it over the goddamn crack in the road. See, that's why I wish it was smaller that way, but I can have them, we can grind that down. You see me get it over that crack? That's big right there. Okay, that's big getting it over that crack.
Sure did.
Now I notice I want to go up under here. Watch this. It guides it better to me. That motherfucking snack. I like it. I like it right there. That feels good.
Pops will be so proud.